What we're going to talk about marketing. I'm not going to make you work today because you're going to come back in 2 weeks and then you're going to work for 2 days. And if you think this stuff is work, it's because you haven't been in my workshop. Right? This is light. This is light.
That is very true.
But I have a question.
Yeah.
What is this?
Wine glass?
Oh my God, you got it on the first try, and I thought it was going to take longer than that. How much is this wine glass worth?
30 bucks.
It depends on whether I have a bottle of wine or not.
Really? Does it? I mean, you could drink the bottle of wine without the wine glass.
That is
at the end of the day,
true. Yeah,
right? But I get what you're saying. It depends on whether I have a bottle of wine.
It depends what you put in it, because I could get that at the dollar store.
Okay, it depends on what you put in it, maybe. But talk to me about the dollar store.
Okay, you could buy that glass
Yeah.
at the dollar store.
How much would it cost?
$1.
$1. And what did her shot say?
30.
30.
It all depends on what you do to it or what you put in it.
Nothing.
No?
Has nothing to do with what you
It's
put in
like
it.
it's like
It's a
Walmart
wine glass.
and
Yeah.
a Steve Madden T-shirt.
Okay,
It's all
here we go.
built in the same factory. It's just a different title.
Mhm.
If I
Different
say
title.
this
So
is
what?
What, of what? Oh, the title
Keep
of
going, keep going.
the brand of the glass.
I taught her.
So what if I tell you that this is from Ikea?
Ikea.
Ikea. Sorry, I learned the name and
What
different.
is that?
Ikea.
That's
Ikea.
one of your
Yeah, I didn't know
five
what it was
languages coming out.
Yeah, no, I tend to confuse languages and pronunciations. I apologize for that. So if I tell you this is from Ikea, I just can't do it. It's just so hard to say. This is from Ikea. How much is it worth?
This is,
Three. How much?
3.
no, yeah, like
$20?
$4.
I like selling their shot, man.
Not in
For
Ikea.
$20.
No.
You go to Ikea and you spend $20 on a wine glass?
Yeah.
No, man. This is like a
Right.
pack of 6 of Smallenporgen glasses, and they're probably going to cost you $5.95 at most, right? I mean, I don't know. I don't know what
That's
it is.
why I always get yelled at home because I have to return shit.
How much did you pay for this? No.
Take it back.
$500.
So it's worth, I don't know, let's say it's worth $2 at Ikea, right? IKEA. $2 at IKEA.
You can call
Okay.
it Ikea, we'll know.
So yeah, $2 at IKEA. Why?
Because I know how much things cost.
Cost at IKEA. But why do things cost that much at IKEA? What is IKEA there for?
Because they are making their products affordable for a certain group of people.
Right. So IKEA is about affordable products, right? What they say is they are improving the lives of many people, and they're doing that by providing furniture and housewares at prices that many people can afford, right? So they're all about providing you with a wine glass at a price that you can afford. Not everybody can afford $30 for a wine glass. Everybody can afford $2 for a wine glass. You want wine glasses? You want that look? You want wine glasses throughout your kitchen? Right? Right. And so we know, now is IKEA selling to, pick a famous person with lots of money. Bloomberg. Here we go. Is IKEA selling to Bloomberg?
They can.
Maybe. But Bloomberg has to be in that frame of mind of, I want a $2 glass, right? I don't know. I think the thing about Bloomberg is he probably doesn't give it him. Right? He's probably saying, I just want a wine glass to be there. I don't want to know where it comes from. I don't want to know how much I spent on it. I really don't care. I just want, when I stick out my hand and say wine glass, I want it to be there. And I don't know. I mean, Bloomberg might be watching this. I have no idea. I'm not, there's no judgment here.
Jennifer Lopez.
Yeah, Jennifer Lopez. Jennifer Lopez, another good one. I promise you, at some point in her life, Jennifer Lopez. So I just want to be clear, right? IKEA is selling a wine glass, right? And they're selling it to people who are probably not, looking for the highest end stuff, but they want the furnishings for their homes. They want the things that they want to have a wine glass, right? That they can drink wine out of. Fine. All right. What if I told you that this glass came from Riedel? Does anybody know who Riedel is?
No.
Come on.
Her shot.
store, right?
You
Pay
must
$30
know
for
Riedel.
a
That's a
wine.
store, right?
What do you say?
Riedel?
Riedel. Riedel is owned by George Riedel. George Riedel is a man who is very concerned about the size and the shape of his stemware.
I can FaceTime New York, I'm sure she knows.
Yeah, probably. So if you buy this from Riedel, right? Riedel is a very different type of store than Ikea. So Riedel is about creating the wine glass that is perfect for the varietal of wine that you are going to drink. When you drink wine out of a Riedel glass, the wine just unfolds on the palate. It's delivered perfectly to the palate so that you can experience that wine as it was meant to be experienced.
Sure.
Right? It is the wine glass. And if you go to Wine Spectator, you go to these wine magazines and these big experts are going to tell you drinking wine out of a Riedel glass is an experience. It changes the flavor of the wine. Right? So how much do you think you would pay for a Riedel wine glass?
$50.
How much?
50?
You're close.
60?
$62.50 actually for a Cabernet glass at Riedel. And all the experts are going to tell you, oh, it's so worth it. Oh my gosh, you have all these glasses, and you don't just get one glass, right? You have to understand, right? Cabernet Sauvignon, that is one varietal. You have to get 25, because you have to have all the different glasses for the different varietals.
Hogwash.
Maybe for you, I love my Riedel glasses.
Okay, blind taste test. Can you tell which is a Riedel glass and not?
Absolutely not.
Exactly.
There is no difference whatsoever in blind taste test ever between a Riedel glass and an Ikea glass.
No,
There is no difference. They are exactly the same thing. If you spend $2 on a wine glass or $60 on the wine glass and you cover your eyes and someone else just pours the wine in your mouth, you will not taste a difference. There is no difference except Riedel gets $60
Yep.
and Ikea gets $2.
Yep.
And here's the problem that we face as marketers. We're all selling $2 glasses,
Mm-hmm.
right? And what does it feel like to sell $2 glasses? What do you feel? Like you're out and you're selling all the time. Is it easy? Is it you're like, oh, this is so easy. I'm selling all these glasses and everybody loves them and they're so happy with me and I'm just collecting my $2 and life is great and I can go on vacation.
It is easy to sell a $2 glass.
Is it? Do you feel so? I'm saying when you're in your business, you are selling the equivalent of $2. Do you find that sales and marketing are easy?
No.
Are you beating them away with a stick? They're like coming after you the whole time. I want more of these. Like in Ikea, they're lining up before the store opens because they want the stuff so badly.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Is that your experience?
No.
No. Right. And the problem is that we keep selling these $2 wine glasses, but the opportunity is to sell a $60 wine glass. The opportunity is to sell in a way that our clients are thinking, man, this is really changing my life. And I promise you, my wine tastes better in my Riedel glasses. Because of the experience. Because of the story that Riedel is telling me. So I buy into the romance of it. I love the complexity of it and the different glasses. And I enjoy it. My wife thinks it's a complete waste of time and money. But when I suggest to her that she could perhaps go to a different salon that doesn't cost quite as much to cut her hair in a way that I can't even see, she tells me that I'm the one who's screwed.
You are.
Yeah.
I cut 2 strands the other day and I paid
Yeah.
over $100.
Yeah, you're like, oh yeah, and then, but it's not how much time they spend cutting. It's knowing where to cut. What a load of